Hello, I'm Professor Wood. Today we're going to be doing an experiment. The experiment that we're going to be doing is, does water seek its own level? Spotlight, please. Alright, fantastic. As you can see, at this time, these vials are empty. We'll be adding dyes and then filling them with water, and we're going to allow the clock to run and see if they seek their own level. So we're going to put the dye in, we're going to add the water into them, and then we're going to find out if water really does seek its own level. This is a claim for both globe earth and flat earth. Both of them claim that water seeks its own level. However, while the flat earth people say it's proof of a flat earth, the globe people say that the water is held in place by gravity, which is clearly wrong. It's not held by gravity, and we're not even going to mess with that false religion. But they're going to claim that it's held in place by gravity, but at the same time there will be a curvature to it, since the earth is a globe. So as ships sail, they'll descend from the bottom first, and we're going to disprove that too. And I think our conclusion will stand up to the most rigorous science that can be tested. So let's put the dyes in, let's fill these with water, and I'll come back to you and we'll show you what we've done. Welcome back. As you can see, we have 5 test tubes. We have 2 filled with a red liquid, 2 filled with a blue liquid, and 1 filled with a green liquid. Charlie, it does look like I'm in a laboratory, because all I'm seeing is this green felt. You're telling me it does look like I'm in a laboratory? Alright, I'll continue. We can just edit this out, can't we? Thanks. Both globe earth and flat earth claim that water seeks its own level. Well, we're going to find out if it really does. We're going to be using a clock, and we're going to check and see if it really does that. So let's just turn the cameras off and let's just wait a little while and see if the water actually does seek its own level. Here we are 2 hours later, and check this out, sports fan. The water has sought its own level. Now you'll notice that the red is equal to the red, the blue is equal to the blue, and the green remains unchanged. Now you're going to ask yourself, why is it that all these water levels have come up to the same level but the green hasn't? Well, the water that I'm touching is red, the water in the middle is blue, and the water on the far end is green. But they're all different. One is red, one is blue, and one is green. Green doesn't have an empty vial beside it. Because it doesn't have an empty vial beside it, the water level can't come up to it, because water seeks its own level, and there's no other green water out there. So we have proven that water does seek its own level. Whether you're on a flat earth or a globe earth, water does seek its own level. So this is a real important experiment, and you can do this at home. You can do this in the laboratory. It will happen every single time. But remember, different colored waters may seek different color levels. So don't expect a red water to be equal to a blue water. There's no reason to experiment with that, because we've just proven it, because the green didn't come up to the level of either the blue or the red. So we're going to suspend this part of the flat earth, globe earth science, and we're going to move on to another experiment.